and welcome. To find n in this figure, the first thing I'm going to do is to find a value for x. The reason I'm doing that is because if you notice, we have a four-sided polygon, 1, 2, third side and the fourth side, right? And all the interior angles of this reentrant polygon has the x variable. And this angle here, 11x minus 5 degree, shares a relationship with this angle n. So in order for me to solve n with ease, I'll have to first of all find the value of x. So to do that, I will use this formula, which is 2n minus 4 times 90, or n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides of this polygon. So we know the number of sides as 4. So 4 minus 2 times 180 would give us 2 times 180, 360 degree. So I will sum up these interior angles and equate it to 360. So now let's sum up. We have x degree plus 2x plus 4x plus 5 plus 11x minus 5 equals 360 degree. I'm sure you understand how this came about. Now let's group the like terms. 11x plus 2x equals 3x. 3x plus 4x is 7x. Then 7x plus 11x would give 18x degree, right? Then we have plus 5 minus 5. They will automatically cancel out. So 18x degree equals 360 degree. So at this point now, in order for me to have a value for x, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 18. So I divide this left hand side by 18. I divide this right hand side by 18. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, that shows you are enjoying the lesson, and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post any video, you would be the first to see it. Thank you. Okay, so this 18 here, we'll cancel out this 18. We have x left. 18 will go into 360 20 times. So the x value now equals 20 degree. Now we have a value for our x, and that makes solving for n easier. So if x equals 20 and our concern is this angle, I'm going to substitute 20 for x in this expression here. We have that angle as 11x minus 5 degree, right? So now x is 20, so it's going to be 11 times 20 minus 5. 11 times 20 is 220, and minus 5, it will give us 215 degree. So therefore, this angle here is now 215 degree. We are moving closer to getting the value of n. So the angle relationship that exists between this angle here and the angle n is the angle at a point, and the sum of angle at a point is equal to 360 degree. So for me to find n now, I will add n plus this angle, which is 215, and equate it to 360 degree. So I will subtract 215 from both sides of the equation. I'll have n equals 360 minus 215. So if we do the subtraction, 360 minus 215 would give 145 degree, and this gives us the value of n. If this video was helpful to you, please do not forget to leave me a comment. Give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.